How to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. Instagram doesn't give us a simple reorder button, but I'll show you a smart little workaround that works every time. Let's dive in. Open your Instagram app and head to your profile. Now find a post that has multiple photos. You'll know it's a carousel by the little stacked icon. Open that post, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and hit Edit. Here's the trick. To change the order, you'll first delete the photo you don't want as the first one. Don't worry, we'll restore it in a second. You can remove more than one photo if needed. Once that's done, the next photo automatically becomes the new cover photo. Once that's set, tap Done to save the changes. Next, we're going to restore the photos we deleted. To do that, go back to your profile, then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. From here, choose your activity. Inside this menu, scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. This is where all the photos you just removed are stored temporarily. Now pick the photos you want to restore, but here's the trick. Restore them in the order you want them to appear in the carousel. For example, I'll tap this photo, select the three dots, and hit Restore. Then I'll do the same with the next photo. Once you've restored the photos, go back to your profile, refresh the post by swiping down, and check it out. The photos are back, but now in the new order you set. And that's it. A simple delete and restore trick to reorder your Instagram photos after posting. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.